Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Camila Ifoma, and on this channel we do everything beauty, lifestyle, self-development videos, travel vlogs, and so much more. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. And if this is not your first time, please do not make it your last. I've watched several painted by Esther's blush technique and I decided to try it today with you guys. But today we're going to be doing it with drugstore products. Every product that I've used in this tutorial is affordable, so do not be scared. But there will be a lot of tweaks here and there because I'll be adding some of my own technique as well. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification buttons. So let's get right into this video. By now you should know this, that before you start your makeup glam, you should go in with your skin prep, which is your moisturizer, your primer, your setting spray. Depending on what skin you have, skin type you have, you would know what to use and what product. Moisturizer for today, I'm using this one from Elf Skin, and because I already have moisturizer on at the moment, I'm just going to be applying little for the sake of this video. Also, I have really dry skin and I would not be using any primer. I'm going to show you guys the primer I use, which is this one too from Elf. Make sure your moisturizer dries down before you go in with your primer. Afterwards, I like to go in with my setting spray sometimes, but today I'm not doing any of that. I'm going to be going in with my foundation straight up, and I want to show you guys this foundation that I've been loving lately, which is the NYX Professional Makeup, and this one is their 30 Light Nutmeg shade. It's their Make M Wonder foundation. I think it's a new foundation that they just released, but I love this product, especially because you do not need to stress so much, and I like how small it is because you can actually travel with it. See how easy it is to just apply. Today I'm going to be using brushes to apply most of my products. If you know me, you know that I'm a beauty blender girl. I've tried to put my beauty blender as far as I can so that I won't reach out for it throughout this process. So we're going to be blending this in. I'm going to actually add speed to most of these parts because I want you guys to see majorly how to achieve the Painted by Esther's blush technique. You see how that foundation has just blended in on this side? Like, that's why I like this foundation, because it feels like you're not even wearing any foundation on. It's just very lightweight. I like it. This is just like a random thought. There are just some brands that I really want to work with, and NYX Cosmetics is one of those brands like I really would love to, you know, work with. Huda Beauty, One Size, One Size, that I love them. And what's the other brand? Maybelline, Revolution, MAC Cosmetics, which I worked with earlier this year. They were like the first people that sent me a period box this year. I don't know if I've said this before. L'Oreal Beauty, Fenty Beauty, just a lot. I can keep mentioning them, but yeah. So for contour, we're going to be using this e.l.f. product. I know by now you guys should know already I love e.l.f. as well. And this one is in Rich Chocolate. This is like my second bottle, and I'm just going to use it to contour my face. So now here's where the blush technique comes in. For Makeup by Esther's process, I've noticed that she likes to use one darker shade and one vibrant color, like a lighter color of blush, and that's why I'm using this blush palette that I've had for a while now, and it's from Charm Ageless. It's actually their lip paint, but I use it for the lips and I use it for my blush when I want the cream, because it has like different colors as you can see and tell. But yeah, we're going to be using this one for our cream blush. So this technique is just what I've seen her do, like from the several videos I've watched. I've noticed that she always puts them at the back of her hands, and then she'll apply it directly with her brush, and then she'll place it here on her cheeks. With her technique, what I've seen is that she likes to maintain this side, like she doesn't go above her brows, like where her brows ends. But that's where my own tweaks come in, because I love my blush to go up. I love my blush to come all the way up here and up here, just like to give my face some sort of depth. Like, don't you like how that looks? I forgot to apply my concealer. I'm going to do that now, and then I'll come back to this. So today I'm using this one from Maybelline Fit Me, and this concealer is in the shade 10. I'm going back with my blush, just the same way she likes to start up here. And if you know that you have to add so much blush. When you feel like that's enough, then that's not enough. You need to keep going. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So this, I've also seen her go back with her concealer to, pop the inner corners, this side and this side. So here's a trick with Painted by Esther's technique. She uses the powder puff, which I'm sure most of you guys would have seen, to blend in her concealer. And yeah, I've been avoiding doing that, but we're going to do it today. There's no harm in trying. So I'm just going to use this and blend it in. It's not that bad. Well, I like how it feels. I thought it was going to be lifting. That's why I've been avoiding this process, I actually like this technique. It's not bad at all. I think I'll be doing it now. So now she goes back, but with the same powder puff, and then she turns this over and uses the other side to go back with the blush, but you have to tap in and make sure that the product goes in properly. And then now you place it. I think I need to add some more blush because I feel like I'm playing safe. Yeah, I think we're there. So I'm just going to put a little on my nose because I also like a bit of blush. Not so much, just a bit like that on my nose. I've also seen her use pink setting powders to go in to set her face, her under eyes, and I do not have that, so I'm going to be using the translucent powder from Laura Mercier. This one. I'll first go back in with that same side, the side I used to conceal. I'm going to use it and just go over it to make sure that my under eye does not crease. So that's it actually. Do you guys think that I've applied enough blush? It doesn't look like I've applied enough blush. But I'll still go in with a powder blush, so I'll just leave it as it is right now. So for my powder, I'm using this one from L'Oreal, and this is their shade. What shade is this? 330 Warm. I'm going to be applying this on the other parts of my face. I like how my face is looking, so I will not spray actually. But yeah, I'll do my brows off camera and most likely not do, and maybe just do my eyeshadow. I don't know, but I'll come back and show you guys. And you guys have seen that I went in with my compact powder for my eyes. I used the one from Charlotte Tilbury. I just placed the powder, and this is exactly what I just did. So you guys, I'm gonna head to do my brows and my eyeshadows, and I'm back now. I'm going to be using this NYX Cosmetics blush in my butter half, that's what it's called. And I'm just going to use the same brush I used earlier on. I'm just going to go into that palette and apply some more blush. that too much blush? And now with this one, I'm not going to go on my forehead because it's crazy. Just going to apply. I love the smell of this blush so much. It smells like, oh, like, I don't know, custard with so much milk, and I don't know, it's just so buttery and nice, milky and nice rather. But yeah, that's all we have, and I'm just going to do my lips. So for my lips, I'm using this lip liner I got from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in double dose. This lip liner has been my go-to. And these are actually too dark, and I can't really find a brown lip liner that will do the work for me and not oxidize like to something like that. Yeah, that's all. So I'll go ahead and spray my face first, then apply my mascara and apply the lip gloss. For my setting spray, I love the one size one, and I'm almost out. I feel like I always say that in all these videos that I'm always out, but I need to get a new bottle. I love this product because of how it melts your makeup in so well, like it does the work. Just going to wait for this to dry down, and then I would apply my mascara. Ooh, love it. And you guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Do you like the full face look? I went ahead to put this bow thing. I've had for a while though, but I don't know how I feel about it, but yeah. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about the look. Oh. Before we go, we need to put a bit of highlights. And I'll be using this one from Revolution, Makeup Revolution. And I'll be using the pink shades just to pop the, just to highlight my cheekbone. Nothing serious. Oh, I think it looks cute. What do you think? If you've watched to this part of the video, I want to say a big thank you, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye babes.